you can see we have 3 separate production cells and in a pond that encompasses 1.5 hectares of area and 2 meters deep, so 30,000 cubic meters of water. These production cells right here, each one will hold 220 cubic meters of water, which allows us to produce almost 33 metric tons at the highest biomass of tilapia if we chose to do so.
Let's look at the strengthening immunity through nutrition. So what do? Well, we've mentioned most of these things through this talk. The importance of amino acids, dietary protein plus amino acid additives. Amino acids like tryptophan, branched chain amino acids, which are very important in cellular immune response.
Problems associated with the extruder barrel sometimes comes from the distance or the wear between the screws and the surface of the barrel. So this gap, basically, it's considered to be time to replace the screws when this gap gets to be 2.5 times the original tolerance.
But it gives an idea of scale. So a certain amount of cages for nursery, for broodstock, for on-growing, but also a shore base with a jetty, with hatchery, nursery, processing, offices, food store, feeding systems. So how much money is required to set up a farm at this scale?
I joined the aquaculture nutrition online, or this. I think this is a great learning program. By attending this aquaculture nutrition online course, I get the opportunity not only to update knowledge, but also to refresh my knowledge as well as my experience. The training is covering various species, can be accessed anytime and anywhere. It's so flexible. Yeah, precision to a Progressus for being able to deliver the virtual training, especially during the pandemic situation, which makes us, or especially me, never stop learning. Thank you.
It was very instructive, all the course from the Aquafeed production school, the online Agrischools training workshops. There was a wide diversity of attendees. They were all specialized in the topics and the production of Aquafeed, whether for shrimp or for fish. It was very great to have people specialized and going into details of the different topics and the different aspect of the feed production. People here at Nutrima are very satisfied. Thanks.
I think this course is very useful for Aquafeed nutrition work, especially young nutritionists, because the basic content is quite complete and has important key concerns that can be applied. Thank you for having the opportunity to join this course.